It's made its strongest impact on eastern North Carolina already, but now Greenville city officials are shifting their focus to the after effects of the storm.
Torrential downpours have raised water levels in low-lying areas, including around the Tar River. Flooding is a risk factor for people in the area, and recreation and parks here in Greenville trying to handle the impact. 9 News Side's Gabby Sartori joins us now live from the town common. So Gabby, what does the Tar look like today?
Well, if you were planning to take a walk in the park once the rain subsides, you might want to hold off on that because unfortunately the worst of Debbie is not upon us. She's going to be lingering for a couple of days, impacting areas along the river.
The City of Greenville's Parks Division staff, they have a pre-storm checklist. So before we see a potential storm come in, we go out and we look at the greenway. We do a inspection of the greenway, look for trees down, just a pre-storm, the precautions, just to make sure.
Recreation and parks have an all-hands-on-deck mentality when it comes to storms with heavy rainfall. So far, it's gone as expected, and relief efforts won't be a surprise.
This storm so far has just been a rain event. We will have to handle a few trees that have been down due to some wind yesterday, wind gusts. But other than that, we're very fortunate.
The main concern is water levels continuing to rise. In an effort to keep the community safe, barricades are placed throughout the greenway.
When we see that the river is going to rise to the level like it is now, we put out certain barricades along the greenway that really impacts the South Tar Greenway near across from Green Springs Park, also the dog park area.
The Tar River impacts homes and areas alongside it, including the Pitt Greenville Airport.